Higher 2, this is your homework today. Okay? So, number 1 question. Look at these scenes. Choose a word from the word bank to match how the character might be feeling. So, what are the word bank that I am talking about? So, you have here frightened, happy, surprise, cross, pleased, shy, upset, and brave. Okay, so letter A. Look at the picture of this girl. What do you think her feelings? Is that she's frightened, happy, surprised, cross, pleased, shy, upset, or brave? Picture letter B. How about this boy? What do you think he's feeling? He's frightened, happy, surprised, cross, pleased, shy, upset, or brave? Picture letter C. What do you think about the feeling of this girl when she found something? She is frightened, happy, surprised, cross, pleased, shy, upset, and brave. So here, the answer from this 3 questions, what are the questions that I am talking about is A, B, C. You can choose the word from the word bank. You don't need to make your own word or adjective. So let's move on to question number 2. Complete a sentence for each picture. Use the word bank. What are the word bank that I am talking about? Here, the one that is written up. Frightened, happy, surprised, cross, pleased, shy, upset, and brave. And this word to help you. So after you choose the word from the word bank here, you can choose the words down. What are the words that I am talking about? Lost, would, won, toy, or treasure. Okay? So, for example, letter A, down. Question number 2, letter A, down. Princess Shakora was blank because. So, what I am going to do or what we are going to do from her. So, Princess Shakora was, what do you think the answer? Frightened because she was lost. Okay, I use the word from up, frightened, and then the word that I get from down is lost. Okay, and would. So letter B, it is your turn. Antonio was blank because. So take one word from the word bank and then choose the word from down to complete the sentence. Letter C, the same. What you are going to do is, okay, Pirate Busy was blank because. So what you're gonna do is, choose one word from up and choose word down. Here, what are the words that I am talking? Lost, would, won, toy, or treasure to complete the sentence. Okay? Okay, bye.